worry about the Southeast. The little that we see a divided elite. We don't know whether you are also in support of Peter Obi, or some of you are in support of Peter Obi, or some of you are not in support of Peter Obi. You need to put your houses in order. Because the nation can see. Believe me, honestly, the nation can see. And if you can't line up behind someone, don't expect somebody else somewhere.
Case for the East. It's not for begging, it's not a favor. It's their right. And each time I hear they should go around, particularly from Ahmed, they should come and negotiate because we have the population. What population? It's a fraudulent population.
Peter Obi is not an Igbo project. It's not a Southeast project. So it doesn't really matter if the Southeast elite support him or not. Welcome to Open Whispers channel with Criticus. See something, say something, and please do something. It's only the truth that can set a people free. So when a nation is without a vision, that nation perishes. The Northern Elders Forum has come out swinging again. They've warned the Southeast people, either you support Obi or you don't blame anybody if he doesn't do well at the polls. What is the implication of that? It means they are willing to support Obi. Ruben Abati of the Arise Television has also thrown his weight, saying that if the Middle Belt Forum has come out to support Obi, the Afenifere has come out in support of Obi for what they call equity, fair play, and justice. And recently, the Honest Dendibo has answered the call and has thrown their weight behind Peter Gregory Obi. Who is Soludo to speak against that endorsement or to say that Peter Obi will not do well? Listen to Peter Obi and listen to the cry of the people, the whispers coming out openly from Edo, from this young man. Watch.
Come and deliver us. We are very Lord. Come and deliver us. Come and deliver us. Deliver us. Guy, what's it? Oh, that's come and deliver us. We are
Watch. It means that Peter Obi has answered that call of the Bible that says, who will I send? Who will go for us? And he said, here I am. I and Daddy, send us.
I assure you of our commitment to build a better Nigeria. Our past will not be our future. Those people are our past. I and Daddy represent the future of Nigeria. And I've told Nigerians, hold me responsible. I know what it takes to turn around this country. I will not give an excuse. I will change Nigeria. On tape that I said, I know the problem of Nigeria. Nigeria is not productive.
Send us. We will deliver Nigeria. We will keep the promise with the people. It's a promise that's not just made on earth, but in heaven. I will turn Nigeria from consumption economy to production economy. I will be in charge, says Peter Obi. So, get to the comment section and let me know. To me, what Soludo and other Igbo elites who think they are pulling Obi down, what they have ended up doing is lifting Obi to the north.
Soludo has brought the best of Peter Obi out. People who don't join national issues. People who are very shy to speaking in public about some of these things have come all out to speak about it. Let me tell you clearly. That's why I like Wiki. Wiki is real. Wiki doesn't sound like a fake Nigerian. And because Wiki has been on that road before, his advice is top notch. I think Peter B knows better. He saw all this coming. And God has used Soludo to bring out the best of P2B. I am in PDP. But I have never admired a politician like I admire P2B. I have never followed somebody in the last few weeks like I'm following P2B. No one has excited me like P2B has excited me. Listening to him, his responses to very, very provocative issues, his gift of the economy, his landing on all issues. Listen to me. Whether we like it or not, P2B has come to stay.
To the north, I will tell you this. No excuse this time around. If the Igbo elites are not supporting Obi, what it goes to show is this. Obi is not an Igbo project. Obi is a natural project. Obi is like an idea whose time has come and not even the battalion of soldiers can stop it. This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Kindly remember to subscribe, thumb up, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell sign so that you'll be notified whenever we upload. Until we meet again in the arena. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thanks.